terminal wind. I tried to recognize the plausible surprise, but I was caught in the laughter and the happiness of sin. Stone in the glass house, thrown to the water where the crooks and the immigrants live. I asked the universe, 'cause the universe says yes, but have I ruined every chance that I get? I tried not to remember the poison in December, honey, how could I forget? I'm bending over backwards again. I'm second and you're first to the end. I'm 9 and you're 10 out of 10. I'm shooting into oblivion.